We have Sia in Vancouver. I hope I'm saying that right. Go ahead, please.
Yeah, thanks for taking my call.
Pleasure.
David, my question is regarding rebalancing my portfolio. As all the indices and markets are record high, out of 25 stocks that I own, 21 of them are in red territory, whether it's the Yamana Gold, Crescent Point, Concordia, Uranium, or so on. You answered a few of them on the cannabis section. How do you feel like, do I have to sell them all at this time, or the red ones, and move on, or there is a hope to hold on to them?
Right. Thanks very much. Portfolio rebalancing question.
You know, Sia, that's always a tough question because, you know, it requires a leap that you are moving on to a better place. I think that, you know, I would always say to somebody, given the way things are set up, would I be a buyer today of each of those securities that you own? And I would say, in my own opinion, no. You know, it sounds like you're quite concentrated in some resources and some cannabis. You know, I would tell you to take at least some of it, if not sort of half or more, and make a move to begin with, and then look at, you know, how things progress and doing things in a staged fashion. But I would say to you that those really are not the places that are in the sunshine right now. And if we are beginning a new leg of this up market, then you want to own the things that are participating now, right? And because the things you own may join the rally, and that's very possible. It's just you don't get very many great markets. And I believe we are in one right now. I think we've got, you know, many months in front of us. The rest of this year, I think, is going to be very, very strong, much stronger than people think. So I would do something to make some changes. We'll
squeeze in one last caller. Cliff in Barrie, Ontario. Go ahead, please.
Yes, Dave, I'd like to have your opinion on extended care, please.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thanks.
So, Cliff, we've moved from a world of things that do well in falling interest rates to a world of things that do well in rising rates. And sadly, for the most part, real estate investment trusts are going to fall into things like real estate investment trusts will fall into the camp of the bond proxies, things that do well in falling rates. Extended care has done poorly, actually much more poorly than the REITs have. REITs have had a bit of a bounce in the last 2 months, which I would be a seller of, and extended care did not rally. Weakening earnings, no growth in revenue, I would be a seller.
You're out of there. Okay, after the break, we'll have top picks from David Burrows. You're watching Market Call.